Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host Tim. Hope you're doing well today. I have the Sasieni pipe that I'd like to restore, so let's turn around to the workbench and get started. Okay, let's take a look. Sasieni 4 natural, London made in England. Danzey XS. Got quite a bit of carbon on the top rim. The stem, quite a bit of oxidation. Back out a little bit. Stem fits nicely. I was going to say it's misdrilled, but then I think that's just a blockage of just grime and such. I think the drilling for the tenon goes much deeper than the tenon itself. So that does leave a little bit of a chamber to clean out, but it's not terrible. Cake pipe has been kept reamed. It looks like got a little bit of cake down toward the bottom. Overall, the Stummel looks like it's in good condition. Looks like a little chunk of dirt right there, but that'll clean off. Pretty briar. All right, let's get started. The oxidation on this stem is pretty bad, so I want to go ahead and get it in the extra strength, before and after extra strength deoxidizer. So let's see how dirty this stem is right quick. Well, it doesn't appear to be too bad. We'll run a few pipe cleaners through it, but looks like they may have maintained this pipe fairly decently. All right, let me finish getting it cleaned out, and then we'll get it in the deoxidizer. All right, got my pipe cleaner through the stem, so let's just drop that in. And we'll let that go. The oxidation's fairly heavy, so we'll let that go several hours. Okay, let's get the inside of this Stummel cleaned out. Let's check that. I didn't use a flashlight, I forgot. Barely passed light, which is not surprising. Let's use the airway reamer. Yeah, I'm getting quite a bit of resistance. Here we finally popped through. I bet that helped the light. Yeah, passing a lot more light now. So yeah, it definitely was obstructed. All right, we're looking good. The walls look really good. Good shape. To finish that bowl up, I'm just going to use a little sandpaper in it. This is a half-inch piece of PVC with a slit. And I'll put that in. Just roll it around. Well, may have to use less sandpaper. Go a little tighter. All right, there we go. Looks a lot better. Bowl looks great. Okay, let's see how dirty the airway is in the shank. 91% isopropyl alcohol. Fairly dirty. So let me continue to clean, and I'll be back. Once I get this good and wet inside, I'll use my mortise reamer, but I'll come back for that. Inside the mortise is now good and wet, so let's take our mortise reamer. Yeah, a little bit. And mortise is actually pretty deep, probably twice the depth of the tenon. Oh yeah, got a good bit out right there. All right, I'm going to continue to clean on this, and I'll be back to show you the results. Well, now that we're clean, we can see down in there a little bit better. And it's a kind of an interesting drilling they did on this one. I mentioned the mortise was quite longer than the tenon. But what they did was they drilled in, but then when they went to make the draft into the pipe, they went to the upper part of that chamber and drilled through. And mainly that would give you just a thicker base on the bowl. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. It's a little hard to see. Still got to get a little grime out the very bottom, but I believe you'll see that. If we go in real tight, getting better, there you go. You'll see that draft at the top of that hole for the mortise. Well, let's get the stem out of solution. It's been several hours. See where that oxidation's coming off. And that worked nicely. Got all the oxidation. Let me finish cleaning this up, and then next we'll put it on the buffer. Well, here's the stem. Turned out really well. Nice looking stem. Well, let's take care of this Stummel. Need to see about removing this carbon and clean it with the briar cleaner. Possibility we may top this bowl. This is a natural finish, so supposedly no stain on it or dye. So it probably won't hurt us to top that, make things look a little bit better. Let's rub it down a little bit with some alcohol. That'll help remove any wax. And we'll use the before and after briar cleaner. Oops, wait a minute. Let me get my disposable earplug. And that's what I use. Not totally necessary, but just help to keep some of that solution out of that shank where it's a little more difficult to get cleaned out. We'll just wrap that up in this plastic. This helps to keep it from drying out a little bit. We'll leave that for 20 minutes. Now my time is up. So let's see what we can do here. You can see where some of that has lifted off, which is great. And this is just water and a soft bristled toothbrush. Well, let's rinse this off and see what we got. It's looking pretty good. Okay. Well, I'm trying to decide if I want to do a little sanding. A little alcohol on this towel. We'll rub this down and that'll give us kind of an idea of what it'll look like. Just a little bit of staining right in there. I believe I'm gonna leave it. Let's let this dry and we'll buff it. Here's the finished pipe. I think it turned out well. Get a view of that rim. I'll put a before picture to the left. You still see some scuffs and such on here because I did not sand that, but just ever so slight staining right there, but I think that's very acceptable. It's a pretty pipe. Danzey XS. There's the rest of the nomenclature. Stem looks great. Nice pipe. Thank you for sharing your time with me today and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.